Namaste, my name is Sakshi, and I am your HR guide. Today I am going to share safety guidelines. The objective of this video is to recap the common hazards that you will face in your day-to-day work. The hazards are presented basis their occurrence, travel to customer home, outside the customer home, and finally within the customer home. The video also presents the mandatory preparatory activities with the onset of monsoon and focuses on the electrical hazards which are common during monsoons. It is advised that the JFE understands and adheres to the recommendations provided in this video. The first step is to ensure preparedness before leaving your home. It is important to carry a set of spare clothes so that they do not fall sick being in wet clothes for a long time. Also, customers would not be too keen to entertain someone who is dripping wet. Further, devices like ONT STB phones may get wet and malfunction fail if they are not adequately protected. You may consider a waterproof cover for your work bag. The next step is to ensure safe travel to and from the customer premises. Your family cares for you and await your return. Ensure that you undertake safe travel. Plan to leave early so that you are not under pressure to reach customer home. Drive carefully and avoid flooded areas. Remember, do not take any risks. However, inform your HCMS in case of delays or inability to reach and ensure customer is aware of the changes. Most of the accidents happen due to lack of concentration of the driver. The biggest culprit is the mobile phone. A golden rule is not to attend phones when driving. In case you need to attend a call, please make sure that you park safely before attending the call. Ensure good condition of your vehicles, especially your tires, and ensure that you maintain sufficient gap while driving. Always use personal protective equipment, PPE, e.g., safety belt, harness, while working at heights. Before working on any electrical pole, it is mandatory to check electrical flow with an electric tester. Do not touch any electrical equipment wires if hands, feet or body are wet. Do not stand near billboards, trees, electricity poles, transformers during rainy and windy season. Avoid working in the areas where S2 pole or supporting pole has waterlogging around it. Avoid working around high voltage lines, transformers, exposed electric lines. Do not work in electrical communication shafts in case of waterlogging. In such cases, inform HCMS, who would inform the customer about the reasons for delay and then place the VO on hold. In case you get delayed due rains, ensure that your HCMS is informed, who would then inform the customer about the delay. Please follow the guidelines when you reach customer premises. Do not ring the doorbell with wet hands. Take off raincoat and shoes and seek customer permission to keep them outside before entering home. Do not enter customer home with wet socks and raincoat. Do not touch any exposed or damaged wires. Do not drill on walls in case they are wet or having leakage. It is mandatory to follow the specified guidelines B, C, D and E. You need to mandatorily check for electric current on poles using an electrical tester. Maintain safe working distance from lowest wire carrying electricity, 1 meter for LV, 3 meters for HV. If there are HV lines, transformer near S2 pole, supporting pole at a distance of less than 3 meter, consider it as high risk scenario. Put the VO on hold and inform HCMS. Observe for any non-insulated exposed live electrical hanging wires on pole and avoid touching them. Do not use metal ladder while working on electric pole. Do not on electrical poles and transformers during rain and lightning. Let us now recap the key learnings. Guidelines for laying fiber from ESTA to customer homes. Use appropriate safety gears. Ensure that you survey the fiber route. Avoid exposure to high voltage electric lines, transformers, and open electrical wires. Ensure that you take adequate care when crossing the road and at busy junctions. In case of issues in fiber laying, HCMS should inspect the site and check for alternate routes. Inform customer and place work order on hold. Share details with operations and maintenance team in case there is a need to shifting FAT or OTB is required. Ensure CST team is informed. Do not compromise on safety of the team. JFE to take appropriate care when working on building terraces. Check for sources of electric power and take appropriate action. High tension wires, exposed live electric wires. JFE not to throw fiber loops over high tension wires. Discuss alternate path as required with customer and ensure customer and society permissions if required. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure that you put the learnings to practice.